Hi everyone, welcome to the Good Word Project. In this channel, we often delve deep into the intricacies of human behavior, emotions and needs, and how they can help us living our happiest and productive best lives. I am Shohini, and today we have an interesting topic to explore: mimetic needs. Before we dive in, I would like to remind you that understanding these fundamental aspects of human nature can provide valuable insights into our own lives and relationships. So stay tuned as we unpack the concept of mimetic needs, what they are and why they matter. Let's start with the basics. What do we mean by mimetic needs? Well, mimetic needs is a term that originates from the work of French philosopher Girard. Essentially, it refers to our inherent human tendency to desire or pursue things because others desire or pursue them. Consider the scenario of someone buying a new smartphone. Now, they might genuinely need a new phone, but their choice of model, brand, or features might be heavily influenced by what they see others around them using. This desire to have what others have simply because they have it is a prime example of mimetic needs in action. So, why is it important for us to understand this concept? Well, awareness of mimetic needs can help us make more conscious choices. It's not necessarily a bad thing to be influenced by others, but it's important to recognize when our desires are being shaped by external forces rather than our own genuine needs and values. So if we are aware of mimetic needs, we can make more authentic choices that align with our true values and desires. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Stay curious and spread the good word.